Hi everyone, my name is Misha. Today is the 3rd of April 2023 and I'm making my weekly prediction for Tesla, and I'm uploading this a day late before the market opens so that this prediction is still valid for the week and I don't have any hints based on current price movement. And before starting the video, I would like to make a very important disclaimer that all information presented here is completely for educational purposes and it is highly unadvised to take trades based purely off of the information in this video, since all trades are subject to market risk and taking uninformed positions can result in hefty losses, and should consult a financial advisor before taking any positions. Now that we've covered this, let's get into the monthly charts, then the weekly charts, and end off the video with the daily charts, and I'm going to give you my prediction. So, as you can see here, in the monthly charts, we have a very interesting scenario as we have this downward sloping trend line, and the market hasn't currently hit it, so yes, there is still room for upwards movement before there is a reversal. But we have a piercing line pattern, then a bullish candle, which is not really a candlestick pattern, and then the month of March ended with an extremely strong hammer. So you can see the tail is almost tenfold the size of the body, and the close was very, very close to the high, almost identical to the high. So this is an extremely bullish pattern, and we have seen that for the past 3 months since the piercing line pattern was the first. Then we have a strong green candle, and now we have this hammer, which is an indication for the continuation of the upwards movement in Tesla that we've had for the past 3 months. And that's all that we can gain from this chart, but if we move to the weekly chart, we can see some more interesting things. Specifically, we have the 3 white soldiers candlestick pattern. Now this is a very strong signal of a trend reversal to an upwards direction if it has been coming down. As you can see here, there was a downwards decline, then it did go up, and then it went down again for a short period, and now we have the 3 white soldiers pattern, which is a very, very strong bullish pattern. But as you can see, the market has closed within the previous trading range that we've had in the last month or two. And this trading range has been very, very strong, and it can still be applied to this week's prediction, which I will go over towards the end of the video. And this is all that you can really gain from the weekly candlestick pattern, because there's nothing else that the weekly charts offers other than this 3 white soldiers candlestick pattern, which is a very, very strong bullish pattern. Finally, if we move to the 1-day charts, now here's where things get very interesting, because we have a strong Marubozu pattern. The price is currently above the 50-day moving average, which is a very, very strong bullish signal. Again, since price staying above the moving average is a very, very strong bullish pattern, or the other scenario is if the price crosses it from below. But as you can see, we've already done that earlier, and it is still above the moving average, which means that it is currently in a bullish movement. So let's recap of all the information that we've covered here. The monthly chart shows the piercing line pattern. Then we had a strong green candle. And then we had a very, very strong bullish decline, which we can see around this area. And then we had an immense recovery. And we have a very, very strong hammer for the month of March, where the tail is almost tenfold the size of the body. And if we take this into consideration, we have 3 very strong bullish indicators, since we have the monthly, which shows the hammer and the piercing line, which we can count as 1. Then we have the weekly chart showing the 3 white soldiers pattern, which is 3 big-bodied weekly candles. As you can see, again, a very, very strong bullish indicator. Now we have this Marubozu candle, which is a completely green candle, or green or red candle. In this case, it's green, which is a very, very bullish candle. It means it opened very, very close to its low, and it closed either at the high or extremely, extremely close to the high, which we can see as this candle here, and we can take it as a Marubozu candle, which is an extremely bullish candle, because quite literally it just means the market was going in a constant upwards motion the whole day. And the price is currently above the moving average for 50 days, which again is a confirmation of the bullish trend that we have. So, taking all this into consideration, we can see that the price is within this trading range. And I would say that this is the no trade zone. However, we should actually take this as a as a trading range with a support and a resistance. And currently, I would say that the market is more likely to go upwards, since every single signal we have seen is bullish. So, to end the video, I would like to say that my prediction for Tesla this week is that it goes upwards because of all the indications that we have seen and covered in this video. And I'll see you in the next one.